hotter than hell. That's a neat truck right there.
Yeah. It looks mean and tough.
Say that loud.
Huh?
Say that into the camera.
It looks mean and tough.
No, say it in the accent. You gotta get the heavy accent.
What do you mean?
Like mean and tough.
Mean and tough. Mean and tough.
Meet the darndest people.
Yeah, well, I figured I'd see everybody in my old truck.
That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, my old truck and Frank and you.
I'm Frank. I'm nobody.
Brian
Pretty.
Irving. You got a hell of a truck.
Thank you. Yeah.
My mother, Alice.
Nice to meet you.
79. That's really clean for 79, huh?
Wouldn't that be cool to hold my 79Z video with? That's a 79 also. Being hotter than a hunter sun. Came down the shade. Got a few more rows. I'm good to go. I'll show you. Diamond T. This is a good running pulling truck here.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was just Mack. Apparently not.
Hi, how are ya?
Good. These go everywhere.
We do. We do. Have wheels, will travel.
Thanks, Mom.
You know Smack? I know the Smack. Smack was at the Gear Jammer show in New Jersey.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, single axle.
Yeah.
You don't want to take the filter off there and change it.
Right, yeah. And I just did it.
That's cool. They were following this thing coming in here.
I like the rig that it's
Yeah, that's sweet.
yeah.
Well, let me give you my
Let alone what it's
Dual axle.
for.
The Mercedes wagon.
Yeah, right?
That's odd.
Yep.
And gonna go into the museum soon, hopefully.
Yes, we will. So it's open. I'm excited to go in.
I know you like this one.
Yeah, it's like a pinkish purple. Definitely some of my colors. I think they call it magenta.
Magenta.
Yes.
Just a fancy way to spruce it up.
Yeah.
It's purple. It's like mahogany. Mahogany is red.
Mahogany is dark
The old school
red.
benches, yeah, right.
Dude, I want to know what that space shuttle is.
Me too. I want to go inside it.
I think it's like a motorhome, maybe.
I think it's probably like almost like a museum type thing. Like maybe it's set up to look like a spaceship inside, so you can get the experience.
Maybe. I'm not sure.
The lights from the back to the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, it locks together. It's like a pergo. But there's a little lock in there.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
The cab over in Superliner.
Another Brockwell.
Yeah, they're crazy. I said, yeah.
Everybody got a ticket when they came in. So we can count how many people we had with us today. That will also count toward our prize. And the Chinese auction will be drawn at 12:30. So please come in, buy some tickets, you choose your prize. There's some awesome stuff there. There's 125th anniversary emblems. There's die cast. There's just some spectacular stuff there that you choose your prize. So come on down, have some fun, Help support the museum, help support our efforts to restore, preserve history, and make some creative and awesome displays for everyone to enjoy. Thank you.
That's cool. Look at the top. It's kind of faded out. You can't really tell. It's Bulldogs pulling the chuck wagon. Kenworth?
Kenworth's not bad.
Yeah.
I thought it was only Max.
Are they Mack powered maybe?
Max didn't make motors. I
Oh.
don't think. They did? No. No, these would have like KTAs or cats in them. That's neat. Looks like they took a fire truck and transformed it into a flatbed.
Yeah.
What is this thing? That looks cool.
Bob's baby.
Heavy haulers. Phone 1358. Wonder if that number's still in stock.
Yeah, no. Phone numbers are what, 3, 6, 9, 10 digits now?
Yeah.
That's 4.
Well, say that knee slapper again.
I said, I wonder how many Mack dogs peed on this fire hydrant.
I don't understand. I don't get it.
Dogs pee on fire hydrants.
Do they?
Yeah.
The deer dogs? Yeah, that's a vintage Brockway there.
Alan, take a picture of the whole room.
Yeah. A lot of good looking stuff. That thing in the corner with the red windshield, that's Megatron.
Oh, yeah.
He's a stinker, whatever. He was up in those good.
That is also on the building I'm showing you the picture.
All right.
Dude, this is crazy in here. Why is the room shaped like this?
For sound.
Oh. Look at the Mad Mack truck. And we got a Cummins in it. It's a 6-cylinder diesel. Dude, this is so cool.
Taking stuff apart. It's way too
It's
much.
Alan. Alan's here.
Oh,
Alan the rock star. How you doing?
good. How are you?
Oh. Oh, these are the
Transmission.
transmission. Oh, there's the motors down here. Oh, and here's the suspension.
Suspension and airbags. I want one of them Mack.
It's like a little ride. You put like a quarter in
a
it.
quarter ride.
Yeah, at the grocery stores.
If that still works, might have to put a quarter in it.
They've been going for years.
This thing's cool. What is it?
Started it yet? Soon. Okay. We'll see you later. All right, carry on.
Sweet.
That we know about.
Yeah, it's a quarter. Okay.
No change.
I don't think it would.
That's cool.
Take a look back. That's so cool.
These are Mack engines, some 6-cylinders.
Can't get over all the foam like the insulation in here to keep this room for sounds and Thank you.
Enjoy. Take all your friends around, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
The original party bus.
People.
Yep.
Something everyone should have. Thank you for supporting the Mack Trucks Historical Museum. We appreciate you coming out, spending the day with us, and showing your love for the brand. Thank you very much.
Look at that. That's so cool how they cut it off so you can see the
See
inside.
everything.
This-
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's what I like. The thing that goes the turbo. Republic Services trash truck. That's cool. I think that's a trash. Yeah. Republic Services. How they pick up the trash around us?
Yeah. That's one sweet trash truck.
Turbines that Mack built played with. We are trying.
Okay.
Look at all these toys. Wonder how many kids back in the day were playing with these things out in the yard and got hit by lawnmowers. That would be sad.
Worth it.
Oh, yeah.
I had I was.
Mack, that's a 6-cylinder. Goodness gracious, P-pump. This is a boxer engine, I believe. 4-cylinder. 4? They made these in 4-cylinders for the little surplus generators and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
They sound cool.
Okay.
The world's largest Bulldog. How high do you think that is?
That's 15, 20 feet.
I would say so.
Oh, it's 22 feet high, 24 long.
Wow. It's insanity. Let's come in here.
The wheel and the made out of all the parts for donations.
I can't even get in over there on that side. And the Mack Academy is also here, the training school for the mechanics.
training school.
Oh, okay, okay.
I was over
Now, do you know how many employees?
Oh look, they're all in there watching what's going on out here.
Now here's the dyno. Hey, this truck back here was at Mack Days. It was on the trailer. Yeah, there's the diner.
10 times bigger.
Look at it. It's hooked up to an axle.
That's
It's
cool.
gotcha. Yeah.
Pinion brake to put a load on it, I guess. Awesome.
Just made it on top of this hill here. It's steep. Look at all the trucks that showed up today. Wow. Lots of trucks here. A lot of trucks.